case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit heard the case Branson School District Re-82 v. Romer. The case focused on whether a state has a legal obligation to follow federal trust obligations, such as the Colorado Enabling Act, and act as a fiduciary to trust beneficiaries. The lawsuit was initiated by 3 rural school districts and 2 students who challenged Colorado Amendment 16, claiming that it defied the trust created by Congress in the late 1800s to support public schools. The district court initially imposed a temporary restraining order, but later dismissed it and issued a preliminary injunction against only one provision of the amendment. The district court eventually ruled in favor of the defendants, upholding the legality of Amendment 16. However, the plaintiffs appealed this decision to the United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit. The case raised the question of whether a state's voters could modify the management principles of a state's trusteeship of public lands without breaking the terms of a trust established by Congress when the state was admitted to the Union. The trust in question was created in 1875 when Congress authorized the admission of Colorado as a state upon its passage of a Republican Constitution. Congress declared that Sections 16 and 36 of each township in the new state would support public schools. The act established that the proceeds from these sections would constitute a permanent school fund for common schools. The United States Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit ultimately found that Amendment 16 was not unconstitutional and affirmed the lower court's ruling. The court held that Amendment 16 did not violate the Colorado Enabling Act, allowing the state to support common schools through sound stewardship. The court also allowed the use of the permanent school fund for non-simultaneous land exchanges if annexed interests acquired replacement lands for common school support.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.